Let me check if this is good.
No,
it's good. It's good. It's good. Welcome to Tugman Harry, and in this video we're going to do blind test for the first time.
Yeah, blind taste test. And by the way, I don't like this idea at all.
You'll go first. You'll take five items. Yeah.
You know what I picked is peanut, pineapple.
So the 9th floor, the top floor. Let's see if we can get some view. Whoa! So these 3 things: butter, 2 vegetables, and 1 more green chili. You want to explain this thing?
No.
Come on, every time I explain things.
No, every time I explain things.
Dude, every time I explain.
No.
Okay. So it's Harry's turn now.
Yes.
She's going to go blindfold,
Yes.
and I'm going to give her stuff.
Yes. Should I?
Yep. Yeah. Take this portion. This one. Yeah. No, not that one. This one.
Oh my god. Yuck. What's this?
What?
Is something eatable?
Yeah, it is eatable.
No, I don't feel like something that we eat.
It's an egg.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yuck. Dude. Is it fruit?
Yeah?
It's a fruit?
No.
Because it's powder. Can I?
Yeah.
I guess it's a cookie.
Okay.
Then if it's like this. Oh, this is Usmania biscuit.
Oh, you got it right
Yeah.
on the first one. Okay.
Next one.
You ready?
I got 1 point. I can smell something raw. Yeah. I am not feeling good.
Yeah, this one. No, this one. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, you're touching it. Yeah.
Where?
You're touching it down. Yeah. that-
What's that? Is it a fruit? Are you sure?
I don't know. You should test.
Is it something eatable?
Yeah, it is eatable.
Oh my god, I won't eat it.
It's eatable. It's eatable.
No, I won't eat it. It's a green chili or red chili or any chili.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's
I
not.
can smell it.
It's not.
Yeah, it's a chili, dude. I know. I cook. I know it's a chili. It's a chili, dude. Yes, it is.
How
I
are you
can
telling
feel
it?
the hot. You know the. Ah.
You're right. It's burning. Yeah.
Where's the plate? Here? Oh, yeah. This is kind of a curd, yogurt,
No.
cheese. It's a butter, but
Okay.
it's flavored butter.
Flavored
Maybe, we call it garlic.
Did you see my
No,
ingredients?
No, not at all. This is a Amul garlic flavored butter, right?
I went out and you saw my ingredients, right?
It's see there's inspired. I'll tell you where. On the top, I'll tell you where exactly it is. On the top, the Amul's
Damn, you're really good at.
the garlic one was there, and
You're
the bottom
really-
one was the plain butter.
You're really good at these things, so I don't think I'm going to win. This is 3 out of 3, seriously.
More 2 to go, so I have to score 5 out of 5. Make sure you don't cut my hand.
I'm not cutting your hand.
My fingers.
Your hand is here.
Weird.
Yeah.
Yuck. Yuck. I don't like to touch it. Touch it. Shut up. He bought a vegetable, dude. I know the smell. It's a cucumber maybe.
Oh, what? 4 out of 4, come on. Seriously.
Yeah, it's a cucumber. Here comes the last one,
Last one, yeah. Wait.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is kind of wet and hard. I guess it should be carrot because it's hard. But it's wet. Carrot. I'm correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah!
5
I
out of 5.
won! 5 out of 5. Yeah!
I'm not gonna do this video.
No, you have to.
I'm done.
No, you have to.
Anyway, I'll lose.
No.
I'm telling you.
You can only just. Okay.
Yeah, this is breadcrumbs.
Okay.
It's like
Go ahead.
it's not dog food, right?
No, not at all. Don't worry.
Should I eat it?
Yes, you have to.
Dude, it doesn't.
It's very easy. Dude.
Wafer.
Yeah.
Wafer!
What kind of wafer it is? Tell me the flavor, dude.
Give me options. No?
No, that's all. There are many.
Strawberry.
Even just.
Vanilla?
Yes.
Vanilla,
Correct.
okay. You know what? It's very difficult to taste vanilla strawberry here.
Don't give me reasons.
No, seriously.
But here comes the other one. Go ahead.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
You did something to it. It's not
Yeah.
the original shape. You're giving me sweets. Thank you. I gave you such harsh things and you gave me
That's
sweets.
fine. You might know. You might know what it is.
You know, I want to answer it as bounty.
Huh? Yes, correct.
Correct?
Yes, it's one.
Bounty. Bounty. You know, you're giving me sweets. I gave you mirchi. I gave you
hold it.
butter. You're giving me
Try
sweets.
to tell it when it is inside the
What?
packet itself.
You don't want to open it?
No.
Is it that bad?
No.
This is not even solid.
No.
This powder.
Yeah.
How would I know?
Try. Give it a try.
Just pour a little.
Yeah, I did.
You did. It's a brew coffee. Brew. Definitely brew.
Correct. You're correct.
Coffee, no.
Yes.
Coffee powder.
Okay.
Dude, you know what? I didn't expect this, but 3 out of 3. I'm happy that I've scored 3.
See the next one.
What is
Show
this?
it to the camera while you're holding it here.
Wait. Did you buy groceries and you're telling me to taste it?
You try. Tell me what this.
You know what?
Uh,
I can tell you.
oh yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
Okay, this what's the size of it? This is a little bigger than moong dal. It breaks into 2, but moong dal. It's a groundnut.
Yes. Correct.
I have a shop. This.
Here you go. On the table. On your plate.
You're giving me all sweets, no? Hey, what the heck? Huh?
It's very weird. Don't complain later on
Wait.
you got a food poison.
Huh? I already got one last week. Taste it.
Yes.
Yes, you don't give me detergent, no? According to circumference of the diameter of sphere of Earth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, please.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm scared.
No, you shouldn't be.
Because
No.
whenever I'm doing,
Smell it.
smells like pineapple, no? Why are you scaring me?
Go ahead.
Pineapple.
Yes, correct.
Don't we win?
5 out of 5. We both won.
Should I remove?
Yes, you can.
Ha.
Hello, bye bye. Take care. This stupid guy, he bought me a chili.
Chili.
He bought me a garlic butter.